Oh guys, look. These flowers, they're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. Mimbaya. Na hii gate unajua ifai kuachwa hivi.
Funga gate.
Bado uko na sauti. Todhie. Wewe shida yako mtu kuchukua video na kwa na masharti kali kali.
We are vlogging, madam.
We are vlogging now.
Nichukue hivyo.
Mama ujive ni nakasma wewe akima mlange una boga. Mungu anakuona.
Mfuko ndio nataka kupiga ngoma.
Unataka kupiga?
Niko nani? Joya yuko nichukue.
Inakaa vizuri, gosh. Inakaa vizuri.
Ndio hiyo. Acha kuweka straight usiweke hivi.
Sorry.
In there. Fresh breath from heaven above. Oh my God. Nini nyingine? Naweza kuchukua ukifanya
Ni mbaya.
Utaki? Sasa si usonge huko.
Mama tu tafikiri.
Aya ni nini?
Mam lakini sasa
Unajua ini kama
send. Roses are red, violets are blue. When I look at you, I feel like flush in the toilets.
karibu niseme naenda kuchukua ndoo.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Look at these flowers, they are good for you.
Ndio hiyo.
Hey mom. Ona, ndo.
Don't worry, it's content. Out in the field.
Roses are red, violets are blue.
Anything for money. Yeah. Of course, why not?
Hi.
In the name of content. Yeah. Jindwa, unataka kuchukua udede? Come Jindwa. Why is on the phone?
Roses are red, violets are blue. When I look this world, I see you. Hi.
Pena Jindwa.
Hi.
Na amekuwa mweupe. Haya, namshika.
Namjua.
Anasema wapi?
Sijui hiyo shule.
Mlijuana na yeye wapi?
Sitaki anakujanga kucheza na kina Mai.
Oh, ni sister ya nani?
Yes. Yeah. Hata nimemsahau. Sally. Rose.
Jindwa? Uko aje? Uko poa kabisa. Si tunatafuta udede.
Wait first, I show you something. Where's Milan?
Joy, tunatafuta udede.
Violets are red, roses are blue. Come Jindwa.
Hiyo pati ya Jindwa nitaiona.
You want to catch? I'll catch.
You go catch her.
No, don't click there. Shake up. Like this. So mom, hizo ninafanya. Hata zile bags zingine zinakaa cool. Ndio maana kwa nataka tu ni hii vlog. When I see these flowers.
Baba,
Go to auntie. Go to auntie. Auntie is calling you. Pole
usianguke.
Anapenda English. Roses are red.
Joy utaki hata nichukue video.
Kwenda huko.
Kwani utaongeza voice note? Nataka nasema, today guys we went out with my baby girl. We were going to do and nasema, yes, we went with my mother. And
tukizaa mtoto kaa Joy. Kwani mimi ndio mwenye siku kwa nafaa kuzaa tu. Oh guys, look. These flowers, they're so beautiful. They're so beautiful.
hata nikuchukua ukiadmire.
Mbaya. Come closer, come. Look at this. Look at it. Gorgeous. It reminds me of the beauty
Of the nature.
of the nature. So like guys, see, they're so gorgeous. As you know. Let me pick one. But it's for neighbors. So like guys, look. That smells nice. You need some?
Thank
Come
you.
and get it.
Ta-da. Ouch. Ni mbaya sana. Kuja na hii side tusichukue watu this side. Why do you love this place so much?
Because
Huh?
I get this is the place where I get aloe vera to treat my skin.
Talk the voice, the volume.
You know, today I have homework. Utanielewa. So like guys, you see this place? It's so good. Like I love it. Because this is where I get, you see, this is aloe vera. Aloe vera, as you can see. This is where I get aloe vera, and it's what I use for treating my skin.
Let's see your face.
So guys, come. I want to show you. So as guys, you see, this you need to be careful. I mean, me I'm Africana, so me I don't use gloves. So like, you be careful. I repeat, you be careful. So you're just gonna pick it like, you see. And if you cut it like there is something, first of all, if you're going to use it, you need to soak it for 5 minutes so that this yellow stain, it can avoid from making you itch in the skin. This helps a lot. You need to observe it. So as you can see, this is one aloe vera. You're going to soak it for 5 minutes, and then you cut it. You remove these sharp areas, and then you divide it into two,
And you get
that
the gel.
the jelly thing.
Yes.
The jelly, as guys you can see, this is what I come from. It's so amazing. Like I love it. It helps a lot. As you can see, my skin, it's giving. It's giving, as you can see. So we are going to pick like 5 because I don't want much. So like guys, I was just showing you around.
Okay, let's go. Oh. Oh, you want us to run? Joy, you know how fast I am. I can't do what? I can't do what? I can't do. That is how far you can go, Abby. Guys, we are just having good time with this little girl. Huh?